What is up, YouTube? Oh my God, it's been forever. It's probably been about, I don't know, probably 4 months since I've last uploaded. Holy shit, has it been a crazy freaking year. I'm sure it's been the same for you guys as well, but it's been nuts. I hope you guys can hear me, but it's been about 4 months since I've flown FPV. Yes, 4 months. So I just want to get back on here, start documenting this FPV flight experience. Today, I'm going to practice landing on a pad. I know, as easy as that may sound in the FPV world, it's kind of hard sometimes. I think it is. So that's today's practice. I'm in this huge open field. See this? Open field. Got my quad in the back of the car. It's been an interesting and crazy year for myself and business. Business has obviously slowed down, but it's picking back up. So this week, actually, on the road, heading to New York, shooting a feature for 2 weeks. I don't think we're gonna have any FPV stuff in that feature. It's mainly gonna be Inspire 2 X7 type of job. But if you want to stick around for that, just stick around, subscribe, do your thing. But let's get this drone in the air. Let's have some fun. All right, let's see how rusty I am at flying FPV. All right, you ready? All right, let's go. Grass stuck in the motors. Always do that. All right, let's get some practice in now.